hope that everybody had a great day. I just wanted to take just a moment to kind of explain to you guys my $1 kit-free enrollment with 31. So you can actually join 31 right now through January 21st, 2020, basically risk-free. So you can join 31 for $1. You won't receive a kit of products with this $1 enrollment, but you will gain immediate access to our 31 consultant website with all of the tools, information, marketing materials, and everything that you need. Plus, you'll also gain access to my 31, my personal team page on Facebook. So, you will have so many resources at your fingertips basically from the minute that you join. So if you decide that you want to join, but you want that kit of products, you can actually still join and get the kit of products, but through this with the $99 enrollment. But with this $1 enrollment, you don't get that kit of products. You basically start out being a virtual consultant. So you do have the option to purchase an enrollment kit one time with the $1 enrollment. So say you enroll as a consultant for $1, and then you may make your first $99 in commission and you want to purchase an enrollment kit. Well, you are able to do that one time. And you can actually choose when you want to do that. So say you're like, I want to wait and see what the spring enrollment kit's going to look like before I make my decision. You can do that as well. So you can kind of pick the best of both worlds, if you will. So just know that if you do enroll for the $1, you do have that option to purchase a kit one time. Like I said, you will start it as a virtual consultant, and of course you'll have me to help you get started. So I'll help you with your launch party, whether you want to do that online or if you're local to me and want to do it in person. I will help you in both ways. I hope that if you do enroll as a consultant, that you will actually do both, do an online launch party and do an in-person launch party too. In-person parties are my absolute favorite. I love being in a group of women and we're just talking, we're hanging out, we're chit-chatting, I'm showing some products, we're having a great time. It's my favorite. I love when my hostesses get their friends and their family together, because it's such a fun time and it's so relaxing, and it's just my favorite. I love in-person parties. Anyway, so if you decide to join and we do your launch party, you actually get to be the consultant and you get to be the hostess. So as the hostess, you get Hostess Rewards, hello. And then as the consultant, you're earning commission. So it's kind of like a win-win situation there. And then actually with your Hostess Rewards from your launch party, you could actually pick your own kit basically. So if say you had a $600 launch party, we're going to get $100 in free credit. So you could use that $100 to buy whatever products that you want. It's just an awesome opportunity to be the hostess and the consultant. I love when that happens for me because I get to get things that are on my wish list. When you enroll, 31 will send you a welcome packet in the mail. They will send you a brand new catalog with a welcome letter from them saying, hey, and just some information for you. I personally will also send you a party welcome packet in the mail. So I send all my new consultants a catalog. I'll send you information, a checklist. I'll send you, let's see what else, different, like who do you know list. I'll send you, I'm drawing a blank, a hostess packet. I will send you the customer special flyers. I will send you labels to put on the back of your catalogs. So I send you a fun little packet and a bingo card in the mail when you enroll under me as a consultant. The next thing is there are normally 4 reasons why ladies will join 31. Number 1 is for money. That was my issue, not my issue, but what I wanted to join for was to make some money. I wanted to make some extra money. I wanted a side gig, a side hustle. I wanted to take my little boy to Disney World. So that was my why. That was the reason why I signed up, was for money. But there's other reasons that ladies join 31 as well. Maybe you need some extra girl time. You want to get out of the house. You want to have fun. I love doing that. I love making money, but my second thing is the girl time. Like I said in just a few minutes ago, I love being in a group of women and sharing my why, sharing what 31 means. The name 31 comes from Proverbs 31 in the Bible, where it talks about the virtuous woman and how she's worthy of honor and praise, and how her price is far above rubies. And she enriches the life of her husband, her children, her family, and her community, and her price is far above rubies. So that is what I love being able to share at my parties, is our 31 mission. We love to celebrate, encourage, and reward women of all walks of life, whether you're a customer, whether you're a hostess, or whether you're a consultant. We love to celebrate you, and 31 does an awesome job of that, and I try to do that with my team. I hope that I do. So that was the second reason. The third reason is for the product discount. As an active consultant, you get a 40% off discount, which is so amazing. So basically, if you've got a birthday coming up, or a wedding, or a baby shower, you can order something with your product discount, your 40% off discount. And there you go. So that's an awesome perk. And then we also have tons of incentives where you can earn things for free. Like we have one actually going on right now. And then the fourth reason is if you want to be able to give back, if you want a platform to be able to give back to your community, to your organizations, you're able to do fundraisers with 31. There's actually so many different ways. There's like so many different ways to do fundraisers. So that's always an opportunity as well. A lot of questions that I normally get is probably the number one question that I get: how much is it a month, or how much is it to stay active? So we do have a website fee that you can actually, if you choose to have a customer facing website, there is a fee for that, a small fee, but like I said, it's tax deductible. I write it off on my taxes, and actually it is the lifeline of my business. If I didn't have a customer facing website, you guys wouldn't be able to go online and order. So that's the lifeline of my business. So that fee is what was I going to say? It's a no-brainer for me. Anyways, and then we don't have any monthly quota. So the only thing that we ask is if you submit, or for you to submit $200 in orders every rolling 3 months. So it's over a 3-month period that you submit $200. So say like in February, you submit $50. In March, you submit $50. In April, you would need to submit $100 to remain active for May, if that makes sense. So it's the cumulative. So $200 over the 3 months. And then if you did order anything on your consultant discount, what we call our 31 marketplace, that 40% off item that you order counts towards your $200. So that's kind of a win-win as well too. So that is the main question that I get. And honestly, like a $200 in orders is basically like one party, because to be able to have a party and earn Hostess Rewards it starts at the $200 level. So basically one party every 3 months if you wanted to do just the bare minimum. We also have different incentive programs where if you submit $100 in sales a month, then you earn a 60% off item the next month. So there's lots of different little things in there too. So if you're really interested, we'll talk more about that. But lots of things at 31, and they want us to succeed. They put the tools in our hand. They give us incentives to succeed. That's what I love about them. As a starting consultant, you'll make 25% of what you sell, which is awesome. And then, of course, when you promote, then you'll start making more. So if you promote into leadership like me, you'll get a 10% raise and make 35% of what you sell. So it is an awesome perk. And you guys know my story. If you don't know my story, I would love to share it with you one day. I was able, to leave my corporate job. And I do 31 full-time, and I had a full-time salary. So it's just been a blessing to my family. And I will say, and I tell this to everyone, you get out what you put in. If you put your all in this business, it's going to give it back to you. And it did for me. And now I work this full-time from home every day. I have a team of wonderful, I call my team's name is Radiant Rubies. That name actually comes from Proverbs 31, or I kind of derived it from that, where it talks about her price is far above rubies. And I knew that I wanted to have rubies in my team name. And actually, my mom's name is Ruby. Her first name is actually Ruby. So I knew that I wanted to include that. So I call my team Radiant Rubies. But anyways, I am actually having an opportunity night this Sunday, January 12th at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Facebook. It's going to be a Facebook event page. And I'm going to dive in. It's going to be for 31 minutes, and it's going to be kind of like an online, it'll be online live Facebook party where I'll be posting different things about 31 and about the opportunity that you have with 31. So I'll kind of be taking a deeper dive. If you have questions, if you want to know more, this is what you'll want to attend. I'll be doing this with my team. So my team and then their potential consultants will be in this as well. So it's going to be a big team event, and I'm super excited about it. And if you're interested, I would love for you to join this event page with us Sunday night at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, if you're ready to join, then please let me know. I'll send you my link to join. I would love to be your sponsor and help you get this business off to a great start. I love being able to share what it's done for me, and I want to help other people. If you're just wanting to make a little extra money to pay an extra bill, pay a Christmas credit card off, then let's do that. Let's do that for sure. But please reach out to me, and I would love to chit chat with you guys. And thanks for watching, and I will post my link below. That way, if you're ready to join, you can do that. And if you're watching from YouTube, please subscribe to my channel and reach out to me. I'll put the link below to reach out to me on Facebook. So have a great night, y'all. Thanks.